welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's another time for another packing vlog, which I'm so excited. We are not sick on this trip, thank goodness. If you remember the last trip, I was struggling a little bit, coming over a really bad cold, but this trip we are good to go so far. So knock on wood, and we are good to go. So all of that to say, super excited that you are here. If this is your very first time, hello. My name is Michelle. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and my husband Travis and I are embarking on a 3-day mini vacation, kind of a long extended weekend to Walt Disney World. If this is the very first time you are joining us, we are embarking on a year of Disney. I will post a link down below for you to kind of enjoy that video of kind of like what that means. But essentially we bought annual passes back in February, and we are trying to go to Walt Disney World as many times as we can over the course of the next year. So all that to be said, stay tuned. We've got a really fun packing vlog coming up. So here we go. So first things first, we are again using my favorite suitcases and Travis's favorite suitcase, which is the e-bags. These are the TLS Motherload. I will put a link down in the description box below if you're interested, but we are obsessed with these bags. They came highly recommended from another YouTuber, so thank you, Blair Lamb. We absolutely love these. This is the 4th or 5th time I have used this one. I've had this one for over a year now, and then we just got this one kind of around the Black Friday sales. We got it on a crazy good deal, so it's a really great website. The suitcases themselves, they store so much, so you can see, and I'll do an entire video just on these suitcases, kind of showing you a little bit more in detail. The first packing vlog had kind of more an overview of them as well, but this is the 25-inch, this is the 29-inch. This is obviously Travis's. You can tell it's been packed a little bit, and then this is mine. So just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of the suitcases. All right, and then so on this trip, what I have done, which is kind of very similar to what I did to the last trip, it's pretty much how I pack. I absolutely love packing, but this one I have laid out all of the clothes that I'm going to need on this trip. It is going to be extremely hot, but we are prepared for it. It's also going to be incredibly rainy, so I've pulled out all the stuff that we're going to need for our park bag. We're taking a large backpack, which I will show in just a moment. But so we've got a hat. This is actually Travis's hat. I'm actually going to purchase a hat on this trip just because I don't really have a good hat for the parks. So it'll be a nice little fun souvenir. So this is a Travel On umbrella that I just purchased. I'm super excited about this. It has really good reviews. I will link everything that I have on Amazon. So if you are interested in pretty much a lot of the things on here, I will definitely let you know. It'll be in the description box. But these ponchos, you can see that they have been used. We used these on the last trip. They are phenomenal and really great. But the only thing that kind of didn't really work out is these are super warm. They're kind of just, I don't know, I guess, I mean, they're ponchos that they do what they're supposed to do. So this trip I had a little bit of a different idea. We're packing our raincoats, so these we will have in our bags with us, and then if it's like a torrential monsoon, we'll pull out the ponchos too. But we also have the umbrella, so it should be easy peasy, hopefully. You might be wondering, but this is a sweatshirt. I bought this on our last trip. I absolutely love it. I wear it all the time. It's really good to take with you like into the parks, because sometimes the theaters are really cold. So I may or may not bring it in the parks because my rain jacket actually works as like a jacket too. So I don't know, but either way, I know our hotel room will be cold because we'll probably crank the AC after a really hot park day. So I'm bringing this for the room. It's just really comfy and cozy. This is a really great compression bag. It is filled with like all my undergarments and stuff. So really awesome. And then this is like a sundress that I have for our second day. We are going to Typhoon Lagoon and then enjoying Disney Springs afterwards. You can definitely follow me over on Instagram. I will be kind of showing you every single day what my outfits look like. So if you're interested, you can follow me over there. And here's some of the t-shirts that I have. So this is like an Aladdin Shining Shimmering Splendid. I actually made this on my own. So this is a design that I created and got some like heat transfer vinyl. I absolutely love it. I've worn it a couple times already and love it. So, and then I've got several other t-shirts and tank tops and stuff that I brought for our park days. And then I also have some leggings here that I wear. I've worn several of these at the parks already, so I know they withstand the heat really well and they're incredibly comfortable. So comfort is key, especially on hot park days. I'm so sorry, you guys. I can't really talk today because I just got off of work, so my brain feels a little mushy, but I'm super excited too. So anyway, so those are the leggings. And then this is also another t-shirt that I made, but I got the design from a silhouette group that I am in that is kind of like all Disney focused. So thank you. I don't know who the original creator of this design is, but thank you so much because I absolutely love this. And this is like an oversized t-shirt, which is super cute. It looks really nice with like a bralette that I have from like Aerie. So I have that with my Haunted Mansion leggings. And then this is for when we're, you know, just like hanging out around the hotel and either going to get like the buffet breakfast or whatever. I just wanted something that wasn't pajamas, if you kind of catch my drift. So this is kind of like just lounge wear if we need to go grab something like at the store really quick or whatever. I just have something that's super quick. Anyways, these are some linen pants that I just got at Old Navy. I love these. These are really great, super comfortable. Just really enjoy them. They're only like $10 or $12, so highly recommend. And then this is my swimsuit that I'm wearing for Typhoon Lagoon Day. Just a small amount of jewelry that I'm taking with me. This bag is amazing. I shared it on my last packing vlog. They are from the bag itself is from Amy's Small World. As you can see, it is all, if I can get it to focus, it is all Halloween themed, but if you guys don't already know, I love all things Halloween, so to me, I can use this all year round. So anyways, but it is packed with a bunch of ears that I am bringing with me. I think I've got 4 pairs of ears that I'm bringing. And then what I have brought over here is a Kavu bag. A dear friend gifted this to me. I'm so incredibly excited. I brought it just in case. I have another small backpack that I'm actually bringing on this trip, but I wanted to give this a try on, you know, like our Disney Springs evening out where I don't need like a larger scale backpack. So I'm excited to give this a try. I haven't tried Kavu before. It's the very first one. And then these sandals are brand new, which is why it's okay that they're on my bed. I don't put dirty shoes on my bed, I promise. But these water sandals I just got off of Amazon because excuse me, I wanted to get some water sandals from when we're at Typhoon Lagoon. I'm just really, really nervous walking around Typhoon Lagoon with just like really hot asphalt and stuff like that. So I thought I'd just go ahead, grab some sandals that we can wear like either on the rides and while we're floating around. Plus, I think this is going to be nice and sanitary for bathrooms. So anyways, I bought a pair for me and bought a pair for Travis. Like I said, I just got this on Amazon, so I will link that below. And then last but not least, this is the bag that we are taking with us to Typhoon Lagoon. I'm not going to really take a giant park bag, so we are going to rent towels because this trip is very different. We are flying this time instead of driving, and so this bag is just filled with like all the necessities that I need for Typhoon Lagoon. If you're interested, I'm going to film an entire vlog about what you need for a day trip to the water parks because I really couldn't find anything about what you really needed to pack for a day at the water park. So I'm definitely going to film one. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you are interested in all that kind of good Disney content. So this is a bag that I have, and then like I said, it's filled with like sunscreens and like all the things that you would need at a water park. And then last but not least, I have my outfit already out for tomorrow. I do have to work in the morning for several hours before I head to the airport. Like I said, this is the first time we are flying, and so I made this t-shirt that just says airplane mode. It's a oversized t-shirt, so I'm super excited to wear it. It's really, really comfortable. I just brought that, and then I have my Vans that I'm going to pair with it, so I think it's gonna be super cute. And then what we have in here is all of our toiletries. You may remember from the last packing vlog of my eBags Packet Flat, which is amazing. So we're actually going to use that bag this trip for Travis. And then I basically have put every single thing in here. As you can see, it's like shampoos and face cleanser and body glide and, you know, shower, all the stuff that you'll need for, you know, all your toiletries. So I'm gonna pack this up tonight and probably first thing in the morning, and we should be good to go. Hopefully, I haven't forgotten anything. And then every single time right before we leave for a trip, I always have out kind of like the stuff that I use the day of. I just got this on Amazon because I am not even going to attempt to brave the elements with my hair on this trip. My hair goes crazy. If you guys have seen Friends, the TV show Friends, my hair looks like Monica when she goes to the Bahamas, not even kidding. So what I thought is I'm gonna do a lot of beach waves, especially after we go to Typhoon Lagoon. So this is a travel diffuser. I have not tried it yet. I will definitely let you guys know my thoughts on it. It had really, really good reviews on Amazon, so I'm really excited to give this a try and just see how well it works. And then of course, as you guys might remember, my makeup bag from the last time. Sorry, it's quite dark. Okay, so this is my makeup bag. I actually packed it this morning. This is probably the least amount of makeup I have ever brought with me to the Disney parks, but I don't think I'm going to need it. So I was actually totally fine with going with the bare necessities. And so it's like my moisturizer, and then this guy is like just, you know, like a foundation blender sponge that I always bring with me. And then like vitamins and, you know, all that good stuff. And then on this trip, as you can see, a couple pairs of sunglasses. You can tell that I am about to wash all of my brushes. That's why they are all in the sink. And then, you know, all that good stuff. And then like jewelry for tomorrow so I don't forget it. And then this is a brand new, the Beach Blonde Sea Wave Sea Salt Spray. Had really, really great reviews on Amazon. I actually purchased it at Target. So I'm gonna give this a shot. Another friend of mine recommended it, and she's a hairstylist, and she said to give it a try, that it works really well, especially in the hot Florida humidity. Golly, I cannot talk. Anyways, so I have that and pair it up with some Frizzies hairspray. Like I said, we're gonna try to tame it, but I'm not gonna. My hair is probably going to be back a lot on this trip. So, and then the last thing I packed is several pairs of sunglasses. The last time I wore these and I liked them, but they're just cheap $5 sunglasses from Old Navy, and they work well, but I wanted something with a little bit more, I don't know, I guess protection for my eyes. So these are some glasses that I got. I think they're just super cute. These are great. I'm actually training for a 10K, the Peachtree Road Race in July. And so I'm actually gonna wear these for that. But so they're really great for like if you're running outdoors or doing anything like high intensity outside. And so I wanted to try these out in the park and just see how they do. So I'll definitely let you guys know. But so far, I think we're doing pretty good. I've got everything mapped out. It is Tuesday night. We leave Wednesday afternoon, and all I need to do is just put all of this into there. I think it's gonna work out really, really well. So here we go. Okay, so so as you can see, that actually was not so bad. So normally I pack all of my clothes in like a compression bag, but on this trip, because I'm literally, when we get into our hotel room, because we land so late to Orlando, I'm literally taking everything straight out of the suitcase and putting them either in drawers or hanging them in the closets. I always do that. I don't really live out of my suitcase when we're on vacations because I like to pull everything out and just have like my outfits coordinated each day. It just makes, when you get up so early, it just makes it super, super easy. So everything you can see, these bags fill a ton of space. There's a ton of space. These bags fill a lot, and I haven't even started on the duffel portion. I only put the sunscreen bag in there, and all I have to do is put my makeup bag in there, and then all the other two other bags that you saw with all the toiletries are actually going to go into Travis's suitcase. So we still have tons of room if we want souvenirs or anything like that. So we still have a lot of room left in these bags for while we are there. So anyways, just wanted to give you kind of a quick overview of what that looks like, all the packing that we did and how fast and easy that it is. All right, and then the very last thing I wanted to share with you is our, like I said, the park bag. This bag we actually bought at Walt Disney World on our very last trip, and it was worth every single penny. I cannot even believe how lucky we were when we found this bag because it fits a ton of stuff. So there's just a lot of different pockets, and like there's this pocket, there's another extended pocket. I'm gonna do a what's in my park bag video once we return from our trip, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But pretty much a lot of the things that are going in this bag, because this is going to end up being my carry-on while we fly, so a lot of the things for the parks is actually I just packed in the suitcase. So and then the only thing that I didn't mention is this insulated water bottle, and this is what we are taking after our last trip to Walt Disney World, and we were just going through those Dasani water bottles just so frequently. It was kind of like crazy how much we were going through them, and I'm trying my best to leave as less of a thumbprint on the earth if I can. So we did see that most of the quick service had lots of different free water that you could get, and all you had to do was just like fill up a water bottle. So we made sure to get one. This is an insulated one. I've used this several times and it's amazing. It keeps stuff cold for so long. So again, this is another Amazon purchase, and I will link it down below. So but I just wanted to share with you really quick what our park bag looks like. We usually just take one bag and then we just stuff all of it in there, and then what we do is like Travis will wear it for a while and then I'll wear it for a while. So just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what that looks like. Alright, so I think we are all packed up, ready to go. We are so excited. I do now have to pack Travis's suitcase now. He's already pulled out like all of his t-shirts, as you can see here. He's pulled out all of the shirts that he's gonna need for the trip. And so now we're just gonna go and pack his suitcase and then just fill it with toiletries bright and early in the morning, and we should be good to go. So make sure if you love Disney content or if you like travel vlogging, please subscribe. Please also give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your support if you can do that for me. And then, like I said, make sure to subscribe to the channel if Disney content is something that you love, just like me, because we will be sharing our entire trip this go around. Just very, very detailed, a lot better park vlogs than the last time, because the last time was my very first time vlogging at the parks, and so now I feel a lot more comfortable with it. So I'm super excited to share with you guys our Disney vacation that's just coming up tomorrow. It's so excited. So thanks for tuning in. I'm so excited that you guys have joined me on this packing vlog again, and please like this, give this a thumbs up, and share with your friends. So with that to be said, we are off. Make sure you tune in to next week's video because Disney vlogs are coming soon. Yay! Bye.